Hello Libras, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be for you guys from August 15th to the 31st. So if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. So first I look at the current energies, and basis that I look at the outcome for you guys as well. So while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So one tip to understand if this reading is resonating with you, I'll look at the present situation. So if the present situation resonates with you, then pretty much I think the outcome will resonate with you. So you know. All right. So let's begin. Let's see what's currently going on with you guys, Libra. What's going on with Libras? Let's see that. Current energies. 5 of Swords, 8 of Swords, 10 of Pentacles. You're confused about the whole idea of commitment and marriage, and you're running away from it, I think. So whoever's watching this, and if this reading resonates, I see you guys conflicted, very, very conflicted about your general stability, about marriage in general. You're not very clear about the whole idea as to what this is, like how to proceed, what to do. Okay. I see trust issues also. Maybe something happened and because of that your trust issues are triggered. I am sensing that you got to clear this out with someone. Okay, there is somebody who has caused this, or there is somebody in your life who is causing this. You have to clear this out with that person. Otherwise, you're judging the whole situation or the whole idea of commitment and marriage basis one person, and that's not how it works. Okay, you have to allow things to happen, and you have to kind of have a chat and clear things out. Otherwise, it is difficult. All right. Now, having said that, I am also seeing somewhere that you really want clarity. I'll just clarify these cards, 5 of Swords and 8 of Swords. What is 5 of Swords here for, universe? Queen of Pentacles. And why is 8 of Swords here? Page of Cups, King of Cups. Okay. This is to do with a person, I think. You have a person in your life who is probably not ready to commit to you, and that's the reason why you're running away from commitment. So a very ideal situation, probably your family is forcing you for marriage and you're showing a picture to your family that you don't want to get married, but subconsciously you're waiting for this person. And that's what I'm picking up. But this person is not ready. This person could be having feelings, but they cannot commit to you is what I'm seeing. So basis one person, you cannot judge the whole book. Okay? It doesn't work like that. So you have to understand this thing. If someone's not ready, they are not ready. So that doesn't mean that you will not get this anywhere. You will get it somewhere. So that is what I'm seeing, what's going on with you currently. So if this resonates, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. Oops, 1 minute. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, Page of Wands, and 10 of Wands. King of Swords, Hanged Man. It will be the same story. So, Libras, what I see is that this person is highly attracted towards you. They cannot commit to you. So, the moment you talk about commitment, this person is going to run away. Now, it's up to you if you still want to stick around to this situation or you want to leave it. What you're doing is you're being delusional, which is not really true. You shouldn't be this way. I sense that you got to understand what a connection is. If it is just about a physical relationship or if it is just about friendship, you have to keep them in those boxes. This connection is a lot driven by attraction, and you're looking for the wrong thing at the wrong, basically you're looking for a particular thing at the wrong place. You will not get what you're seeking from here. Advice to you, if you're looking for a commitment, this is not the place for you. So you have to take that call. I mean, you can't, it's right in front of you, but I think you're not willing to accept it. You're overthinking about this situation and you're complicating your mind, which is only going to complicate you further, and you don't need this. Okay, so you have to understand that this is not working for you and you have to leave this situation accordingly. Okay, but that has to be done by you. You cannot expect it from someone else. Okay, that is what I'm seeing. Now, if this resonated, let's look at an advice from you. For you, sorry. What is the advice for you, Libras? It has come to the edge. Now you got to choose what brings you happiness. If you don't do that right now, I don't see it coming to you. This situation is not going anywhere else unless you decide what you exactly want. Okay? If you don't decide, this will not go anywhere. Okay? You have to choose your happiness. Where does your happiness lie? Like, does it lie with this person? And if it does, then you got to understand that what you're seeking, you will not get from this person. Okay? Now, if your happiness is settlement, if your happiness is going and being with somebody, okay? If that is your happiness, then you got to move out. You got to leave it. So that's a decision, that's a call that you need to take. You have to do it. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay? Alright guys, so that's what I have for you. Libras, I hope this reading resonated with your situation. And so guys, let me know in the comments if this gave you the clarity that you're seeking. Also guys, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I have two Instagram accounts. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So you can have a look and let me know. Info about Reiki healing crystals and crystal healing is all there on that page. It's called Mishi Blue Merchandise. And I have a tarot page which gives you collective energy check-ins on every day basically. So you can have a look at that as well. Till then, take care and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.